point, this is what we're able to achieve. Just put some random things inside there. So what we're going to do next is to, for this of our clear there and then equals to this of our clear is not going to be hard. That's our equals to not going to be hard. Now there is not going to, definitely not going to be hard. So I'm going to explain all of them in the simplest way possible. So let's just do for that of the clear. Let me just say something here. Let me just say it's going to be C, because I see I'm just going to set our car to be not, we're going to set it to be also an empty car. So we can just set it to be empty, meaning that since we want to clear our entire terminal, we need to actually, well, so since we need to clear everything. So what we are clearing, since we are clearing this car, like as if we are trying to set this guy to an empty string. So that means everything here will vanish. I hope you are getting the idea. Just like say when I say clear, I turn this to 0. Remember what we actually did here, just like saying empty space plus that of the this decimal guy here. And here it's just like when we want to turn it back to 0 again, we want to clear everything on the screen, we can actually make use of just set it back to this empty string, or we can actually make use of other string function that we can just wipe it out. But I think certainly doing that this is one of the easiest way. And then the next one we're going to do is, for if you are getting it confused, don't worry, when we do example, you're going to understand it. So another one I want us to set is for that of the delete. Let me call it delete. How does this delete work? This delete is just going to, okay, let me do for this of our cow. Let me set our clear here. So we're going to do example. Let me copy this. Here is the clear, and then I'm going to that. So here is going to close this of our window here. Let me run it again. I'm going to explain something. You see, when I put something like 1, 2, 3, and then I click on clear, everything is going to wipe out. So I can say 1, 2, 3 again, because I just said this. When I say delete, I want this 3 to delete. After this 3, I want to, if I click it again, I want this 2 to delete, and I want 1 to delete. Not, clear is different from delete. You can see clear is different from delete. As if when I hit clear, nothing is going to happen. So if I come out to type anything like, or to delete it normally by myself, click delete now, and then I come out to type something else, that cow is still going to hold all those values. So we need to do for a way to actually make it to clear the right way. Start from the last element to clear to the first element. So how we're going to do it is just by indexing. Linking or indexing, I talked about indexing really well. We're going to start from the last index and start wiping it out one after the other. I've talked about indexing, and the link is in the description down below. So I don't know what is holding you from checking it out so you understand what we're actually doing in this video. So I can create a function. I can create the function and call it, sorry, I've created the function already, which is the delete. We are going to tweak a little bit of here. So we are going to do some card or what. I want to replace, because this replaces, I can't become on. So I want to replace the cow. I can say -1 with what? Empty. So I'm just going to this to replace it with this empty string, and then I'm going to set the count to 1. Don't worry, what is actually happening here? When cow is going to store something like this, we're pending, adding. So it's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, 9. And that 9 here, once I say cow, the last digit is 9. So I want to replace that 9 with just empty quote. Like this, if I say, let me give an example. Here's what is inside of our cow. How 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So I want to replace this 9 with this another quote. So this is, remember that this is our initial quote. So this is our initial quote. So this is now going to become 9. So I'll set the count. This is why I said this count is to be going by 1. Because if we not set it, we're just going to go by a minus. You can actually leave it like that. If we are to do the same, we're also going to do that. But it's really a good idea when you set it to 1. So it's going, when you click on it, it's going one after the other. The count is going to be 1. This is also similar to that of range. When you want to get indexing, like I said, the link for indexing is going to be in the description down below, so you can check it out. It's not hard for you to understand. It's easy, the simplest way. So I'm going to set the count to be moving in that of the 1. So let's run it again and see what to actually see. I've done everything that we need to do here. So let me run it, and then let me set 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let me hit there. You can see Okay, what is there? Okay, I keep on forgetting to set it to that of the command. So just copy the command. Let me copy example. It was on delete. So it's going to be delete. So we'll have it here, and then I'm going to say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I'm going to click on delete. You can see 5 is out, 4 is out, 3 is out. So I can continue to add something like 6, 9, 8. And then I can remove it, and then I can start to clear it. Oh, I hope the idea is not hard, but if we are still getting everything at the end of the chapter of this calculator in Tkinter. So the last one we are going to do, which is our last button for that of was to this equals, we are going to make use of the try and except. So I can say equal. I'm going to make use of try and except. This is one to make use of the try and except is that some people can be a little bit funny at times. Since our current situation right now, we're unable to set stop any I can say global entry. Here I can set I can put Y, I can put T, I can even type easy keys. Easy keys here. I wonder which calculator accepts easy keys as the input. I wonder what calculator does that. But consider we're able to type external in command, but I don't want us to make it easy for now. So let me not go in the situation of trying to complicate the external command of the guy. So I just want to set it in a way that I'm going to handle any exception that occurs inside of this string, but inside of this entry. So, but all this this video is getting too long, so we are going to do that in our next video, and after that I'm going to wrap up this of our Tkinter calculator. So I think we are going to draw the curtain for this video. I think this should have done enough, so I'll be happy to see you maybe. Thank you for watching.